Digital currency, also known as cryptocurrency, has gained increasing popularity and attention in recent years. It is a type of currency that is entirely digital and operates independently of any central authority, such as a bank or government. So in this video, we are going to discuss digital currency. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Now, before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. The most well-known digital currency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009. Bitcoin is based on a decentralized peer-to-peer network that allows users to send and receive payments without the need for a middleman. Transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, which ensures that they are secure and cannot be tampered with. One of the main advantages of digital currency is that it is decentralized, meaning that it is not controlled by any single entity. This makes it more resistant to censorship and manipulation, and allows for greater privacy and anonymity for users. It also enables faster and cheaper transactions, as there are no intermediaries involved. Digital currency also has some drawbacks. One of the biggest concerns is that it is highly volatile, meaning that its value can fluctuate rapidly and unpredictably. This can make it risky for investors and merchants to accept and hold digital currency as a form of payment. There are also concerns around security and regulation. Because digital currency operates independently of any central authority, it can be vulnerable to hacking and fraud. There have been several high-profile cases of exchanges and wallets being hacked, resulting in the theft of millions of dollars worth of digital currency. Regulators around the world are still grappling with how to regulate digital currency. Some countries have banned it outright, while others have taken a more nuanced approach. In the United States, digital currency is treated as property for tax purposes, but there are still many questions around how it should be regulated and what legal protections should be in place for consumers. Despite these challenges, digital currency continues to grow in popularity and adoption. Many large companies such as Tesla and PayPal now accept Bitcoin as a form of payment, and there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies available for use. As technology continues to advance and digital currency becomes more mainstream, it will be interesting to see how it evolves and changes the way that we think about money and transactions. Digital currency, also known as cryptocurrency, has been making waves in the financial world over the past few years. It's a form of currency that is digital in nature and operates independently of central banks or other government institutions. In this video, we will explore what digital currency is, how it works, and its potential impact on the global economy. Digital currency is a form of currency that is created and exchanged using cryptographic protocols. Unlike traditional currency, which is issued by central banks and governments, digital currency is created by a decentralized network of computers that validate and record transactions. One of the most well-known digital currencies is Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. It operates using a decentralized public ledger called the blockchain, which records all Bitcoin transactions and ensures that they are secure and transparent. Digital currencies are created through a process called mining. Mining involves solving complex mathematical equations to verify transactions and add them to the blockchain. Miners are rewarded with new coins for their efforts, which helps to regulate the supply of digital currency. Digital currency transactions are conducted peer-to-peer, meaning that they occur directly between two parties without the need for an intermediary like a bank or financial institution. This can make digital currency transactions faster and cheaper than traditional transactions. One of the benefits of digital currency is its potential to provide financial access to people who may not have access to traditional banking services. Digital currency can be used to make transactions from anywhere in the world, and it can be sent and received without the need for a bank account. This can be particularly beneficial for people in developing countries who may not have access to traditional banking services. There are also some potential drawbacks to digital currency. One of the concerns is its volatility. Digital currency prices can fluctuate wildly, sometimes within a matter of hours. This can make it difficult for businesses and individuals to budget and plan for the future. Another concern is the potential for digital currency to be used for illegal activities, such as money laundering and terrorism financing. Because digital currency transactions are anonymous, it can be difficult to trace who is behind them. Despite these concerns, digital currency has the potential to revolutionize the global economy. Some experts believe that digital currency could eventually replace traditional currency, as it offers many advantages over traditional banking and financial systems. For example, digital currency transactions are generally faster and cheaper than traditional transactions. They also offer increased security, as transactions are recorded on a decentralized public ledger that is extremely difficult to tamper with. Digital currency can also be used to bypass traditional financial institutions, which can be slow, costly, and prone to corruption. This could be particularly beneficial for people in developing countries, where traditional banking services may be unreliable or non-existent. Digital currency has the potential to increase financial inclusion by providing access to financial services to people who may not have access to traditional banking services. This could help to reduce poverty and improve economic growth in developing countries. Digital currency has the potential to revolutionize the global economy by offering increased speed, security, and accessibility over traditional banking and financial systems. While there are some concerns and challenges associated with digital currency, its potential benefits make it an exciting area of development. Digital currency has several advantages over traditional currency. For one, it can be transferred instantly and securely between two parties anywhere in the world, without the need for intermediaries like banks or financial institutions. This makes it a popular choice for individuals and businesses that need to transfer money quickly and easily. Another advantage of digital currency is its low transaction fees. Since it operates using a decentralized network, the cost of processing transactions is significantly lower than traditional payment methods. This makes it an attractive option for businesses that operate on thin profit margins or need to make frequent small transactions. Digital currency also has the potential to be more secure than traditional currency. Since it operates using cryptographic protocols, transactions are virtually impossible to hack or counterfeit. This makes it a popular choice for online transactions, where security and privacy are paramount. Digital currency is not without its challenges. One of the biggest challenges facing digital currency is its volatility. Since it operates in a relatively unregulated market, its value can fluctuate rapidly, making it difficult to predict and manage. This can be a major concern for investors and businesses that rely on stable currency values. Another challenge facing digital currency is its lack of mainstream acceptance. While more and more businesses are beginning to accept digital currency as a form of payment, it is still far from being widely adopted. This limits its usefulness and value for many individuals and businesses. Despite these challenges, digital currency has the potential to be a game changer for the global economy. It has the potential to reduce transaction costs, increase financial inclusion, and make international trade easier and more efficient. Additionally, it has the potential to disrupt traditional banking and financial institutions, leading to a more decentralized and democratic financial system. Governments and financial institutions are beginning to take notice of digital currency and its potential impact. Some countries, such as Japan and Switzerland, have already begun to regulate digital currency, while others, such as China and Russia, have banned it outright. The United States is currently working to develop a regulatory framework for digital currency, which could help to bring it into the mainstream and ensure its stability and reliability. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.